Carly and Jason. We're professional dumbasses. Don't ever try anything you see us do at home, because you'll probably die. What we're about to do is not only incredibly stupid, it is also incredibly illegal. What we're gonna do is take that there washing machine and boot it out of the back of this here truck, doing about a good 100 miles an hour. So I hope you enjoy. This washing machine is no longer adequate. It doesn't wash clothes anymore, and it drained all over my fucking house. So it's payback time. Let's rock. Please don't fall yet. We made it up the hill. Alright. Commencing acceleration. Damage caused to this washing machine. Walking backward to look at it. And, oh yeah! Ah, it's all fucked up. Oh, but it's gonna be a lot worse because it fell out doing like 20. We're trying to get it more like at like 100. Yeah. When we pushed it out last time, it actually fucked it up way too bad to be able to put it back in the truck as one piece. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take this here chain, put it to that there washer in this here truck. Hopefully it won't fuck up my truck, but if it does, you'll get to see the damage. That was fucking cool. That's fucked up. That's what's left of it. It's pretty fucking foobar, but it's about ready for its death chant, or song, or fucking... We're about to fuck it up real bad. We're gonna throw it out on a paved road, hauling balls. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. As I said, we are professional fucking tards. Please do not do this at home. You will go to jail. We might go to jail, but we don't care. No. So what we're gonna do, you see this PSI portable shitter? And you see this chain? Well, I think you can get it from there. It's draining out! Oh my god! Fucking nasty, dude. Yep. And it's gonna die here. Okay, there's a washer. There's parts of it, and let's see. There's part of it. There's some goop out of it. There's part of it. Part of it. Part of it. And I would say that's pretty fucked up. Is it fucked up?
Woo! It's fucked up.
Fuck that washer. You better go.
Jesus Christ. That is totally fucked up.
Huh?